Hey guys, and welcome back to Miguel's Auto Detailing. And wow, such a nice day today, to be honest. It's been very quiet, very wonderful. Well, right now we are about to go to my last detail of the day. And basically what I want to get to for you guys to understand is the question we're trying to answer today is how to set up your equipment when going to a customer's location, especially if you're mobile. This is not for a shop, this is directly for a mobile business. Now, understand, there is no right way of doing it. It's just what's easier for you. So I'm gonna show you how I set up my equipment when I go detail a customer's vehicle.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are here and I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through how I unload my vehicle and start setting up. It is pretty simple, especially when it's just interior work. done with this detail. Took about 2 hours to finish it. Now we just basically put everything back together to how we found it, just in a little neater condition. Obviously, we're able to pick up everything that we used and charge and leave. Basically, that was the end of it. That's how it was. It was really not that hard. Like I said, the only thing I really used to do this detail was my handbag, which has my brushes and stuff like that. Other than that, nothing more. Well, you guys, that's basically it. This is how you set up your equipment and kind of how you pick up your equipment. Like I said, the way you set up your equipment is basically how easy it is for you to pick up at the end, how to set it up. The easier it is for you to get in there, get the job done, get out fast, and move on to the next one, then you get. There's no actual easy way or right way of setting up your equipment. It's basically what fits your need. And remember, when you're just starting off, you're not going to have all of the stuff that I have now. You're not. You start gathering those stuff as you go. Do not go in right away and start wasting all your money and getting a van, getting an extractor, getting this, getting that, getting whatever. Start with easy. Get yourself a couple brushes, some mosquitoes. Get yourself a couple brushes, get yourself a microfiber towels, and a vacuum. Pretty much it. Everything else comes as you go. All right, well, I'm not going to take too much of your time. Thank you for being here. Thank you for everything, because this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you for all the views, thank you for all the comments, thank you for all the love. Goodbye.